Hey guys, today I am going to be making potato greens and rice. This greens is actually from sweet potatoes, the potatoes that you use to make candy yam, sweet potato pie. This is actually where this greens is from, y'all. You can get this from the African market. You can also find this from the Chinese market as well. So I'm going to go ahead and start by cutting up my onions and add the greens to the pot. And then I'm going to put in my onions, put in a cup of water, and then I'm going to just go ahead and add all of my seasoning to my pot. And then I'm going to cover it up to just cook for a little bit. And at this time, I'm going to be preparing my meat to add to my greens. So I'm going to add all of the seasoning to the pot. And then I'm going to just go ahead and stir it up for a little bit and add my meat. After I add the meat, I'm going to cover it up for a little bit and add another cup of water and let it just boil down for a little bit. And when it's almost cooked, that is when I'm going to add my hot peppers and also the fish. I don't want my fish to break up, so I'm going to wait until at least the soup is almost cooked before I add the fish to it. And once that is cooking dry, I'm going to go ahead and add my palm oil. This oil is just going to change the whole dynamic to this soup. It's going to be so tasty and it's delicious. And I'm going to just go ahead and get my plate, add my rice, and put my soup on top of this rice. It is so delicious and I am going to eat. This is very tasty, y'all. Welcome to have some of these with me. Go ahead and try this for your family. You will not regret it. This is so delicious. Thanks for watching.